This is why it's important to segregate. You see this is like eggs of some insect, of an insect of some size, some sort. I don't really know what kind of insect that is. That's what we have to really make sure, have to get rid of all of that. That's why the segregation and the washing and the drying, we need to check all of the oregano we have. Like this brown one, don't leave it. It will just turn bitter. It will give it a really strong bitter taste. Ruin the taste of the whole thing. So try to get rid of that as much as possible. I will use this oregano to make the Za'atar blend. Za'atar blend has many variations to it. There are so many ingredients that you could add to Za'atar depending on the area. I already have a recipe in mind, the one where I came from. The green Za'atar, 2 ingredients, thyme and oregano. That's how much we got. Now I still have to segregate them and clean them up. I still eat this one. I don't throw it away. I will just let it dry. But when you dry this one, it will become so hard. It's not easy to dice as the leaves. I will dry this separately this time. Even though I will still use this one, I'm not gonna throw it away. And you know what? The previous batch, I don't know if you watched the previous video of me harvesting. I didn't give any of that away, and we already used everything. We already used all of it. I tried to make a Za'atar blend, and where I come from, we eat this much Za'atar every day. This much of oregano might end up like hands full when it's dry and diced. Might be like hands full. It's like this much. We eat this much Za'atar every day where I come from. So it looks a lot now, but once it's segregated and dried, it's gonna shrink. Finally, done. Now we wash. Still need to make sure there's none of those eggs I saw earlier. I need to make sure to get rid of all of that. I'll water the potato with this. Now the first batch, the first time I harvested 2 months ago, it didn't have any. I didn't have to worry about it. One more. I'll do one more time. And then I'm gonna wash them in the house anyway, again in the house, so that should be fine. So one more time. What happened last time is I hang them here and then they fell down and they catch all the soil that was there, and I didn't wash them properly after that. That's what happened last time. I'll try to avoid that this time. Now I'll go wash the veins, the branches, the veins. Let's wash this. Still gonna eat those, but it's harder to, they're already so hard. It's harder to grind them, so we'll separate them from the leaves. That should do. I almost dropped them back in the soil again. I will wash them again. When I go home, I'll wash them again. They are super clean, much cleaner than last time, but I will still wash them one more time. Bye for now.